surprised me even more because no one tells you what it feels like when your body doesn't feel like yours. To live with it. Honestly, I thought self love, let me tell you, that's not real. The real self love happened like showing up for my physiotherapy even when it hurt. That was self love for me. And you know, we are not okay, but I'm here for you. The act of self love that I did for myself. If you don't have to fall in love with yourself, rebuild, and you're allowed to rebuild. Start small, start honest. Hey, you, welcome back to Made of More. Today's episode is something deeply personal. If you have watched the first episode, you already know that the injury changed everything for me. But what came after surprised me even more. Because no one tells you what it feels like when your body doesn't feel like yours. It's about learning to love your body when it kind of gave up on you. So, after the injury, nothing felt the same. Everything changed. My body changed. I gained weight. My hair thinned. It was falling like crazy. My skin broke out. I used to wake up feeling so tired, so sad, and my soul even felt more heavier. There were actually days when I couldn't look into the mirror. I would just wonder who this is. I didn't feel beautiful. I didn't feel strong. And most importantly, I didn't feel. And the saddest part, it's not temporary. It's my new normal. I had to live with it. Honestly, I thought self love was what you see online, like looking into the mirrors, saying those affirmations, those sheet masks, scented candles. But let me tell you, that's not real. The real self love happened, but real self love came when I did something that hurt because it mattered. Like showing up for my physiotherapy even when it hurt, taking medications even when I felt like it's not gonna work or I'm not gonna get any better, forcing myself to eat a full hot meal and not go to bed starving, filling my hot water bag and pressing it to my back over and over again just so that I feel a little better. Sometimes closing my eyes and just taking deep breaths so that I stay connected to something because all I would do was overthinking. Some mornings it was all about taking 5 steps, going for a walk, and then just calling it that's enough. That was self love for me. And you know what else I did? I cut my hair. No, 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 not what you think, not a breakup, glow up, or anything. I just felt like I needed some control over how I showed up to the world because I didn't have control over the pain. I didn't have control over anything. So maybe, just cut my hair and get a new look. That's what I did back then. I also started journaling, just letting everything out on a paper, all that anger, frustration, doubts, confusions. I would write down things I didn't even realize I was carrying inside. And then I would just say myself that no, that's not you, that's how you're feeling. I guess that was love. Self love was and is messy. It wasn't about glowing up, being graceful, nothing. It was just real. It wasn't glamorous. It was raw. It was boring. It was painful. It was my way of telling my body, I know we are not okay, but I'm here for you. Some days I could stretch, some days I couldn't even sit, but I moved anyway. I breathed anyway. I would just show up in small, small ways I could. I still remember holding up a dance pose for just a 5 seconds and calling it as victory because that's only what I could do back then. Like that, I just stopped punishing my body and I started listening to it. I slowly stopped treating it like a failure and I started treating it like a sacred home that I need to protect. But you know what the biggest shift was? It wasn't anything I did, it was something I accepted. That this injury happened and I couldn't fight my body anymore. That I had to stop asking, why me, and just start, okay, now what? Letting go of the version of myself that I had before injury was one of the most painful and most powerful act of self-love that I did for myself. If you're listening to this and you feel like a stranger in your own body, in your own skin, I want you to know that you're not alone. You don't have to fall in love with yourself overnight. You just have to be willing to try. You don't have to fake it like you have it all in control. All you have to do is start small. Take a hot shower. Maybe just pause. Take a deep breath. Go for a walk. Be kinder to yourself. A moment of kindness is all you need to begin. Because self love isn't a glow up, it's not a goal, it's a whole rebuild. And you're allowed to rebuild yourself slowly at your own pace. You're allowed to rebuild yourself messily in your own way. Start small, start honest. You got this. Love and light always, Aishwarya.